In the gator on our way to go feed the babies. It's fucking freezing. Woo! Who wants it? Who wants it? Uh-oh. Come on, Dolly. It really smells like cow shit out here.
Yeah, you guys did the big old over here, right behind us.
Uh-oh. Am I stepping in it?
No. There's a bunch of fresh foods right behind us. Look at your eyelashes, Emma.
Oh!
Whoa,
Jesus
Dolly.
Christ, Dolly.
What the hell?
After being head-butted in the chest
Dolly,
by
you're
Dolly.
wild. Be more like Emma.
Emmy.
Emmy.
Jesus Christ, how do you not know our cow's fucking name?
Be more like Emmy.
He's fired as a cow parent.
Whatever.
You whatever.
I'm a good cow parent.
I'm better. Oh, can you hear the other guys going? Big Mama's like, give me some. I think it was me.
I think so too.
I think it was me that left the gate open. But I'm still saying you have to clean the turd out of the trough.
Oh yeah, I'll get it tomorrow.
It is so cold.
It's not that bad.
My fingers are freezing. And my chest hurts now.
I know, that's she really
Headbutted.
gave you one.
Emmy Lou, Dolly! Are you ready for your breakfast? Oh, the babies. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Good morning everyone. We're on our way to go and feed the babies. And then I have to take the dogs to get washed because they stink and they keep getting into the cow field and eating the cow shit.
Yeah, let me just chomp
It's
some down
disgusting.
the food this morning.
Just like chomping on cow shit like it's fucking caviar. Ugh. Emmy, baby, you finished. You finished. You finished. Oh, give the camera kisses. She drinks her milk so quick, it's insane. Today I'm feeding my baby girl, Emmy Lou.
Quit backing up over to everybody.
Because she wants to be closer to me.
I should kick you in the round.
No, she doesn't. She loves me. Go on, Emmy Lou. Emmy Lou's getting her horns. It's so cool. Good girl. Good girl. Look at that little tail waggling. Look at that little tail waggling. Sid,
Yeah.
you can go in there today.
Oh, that who is in there?
There's a shit in the trough. I want to know who's doing it.
Who's putting their ass up on there? It is ridiculous. Let me clean it out first. Let the gate come open.
I won't.
This is like frozen.
Frozen turds in the food trough.
You guys are gonna eat out of it, so whatever you want to do is fine by me.
I'm sure they don't want to eat their shit, Sid.
I'm just saying, they're the ones that gotta eat out of the fucking thing. I can poop.
Which one of you is it? Is it you, Sabbath? Is it you, Big Mama? Or is it you, Petoonie? I think it's you, Big Mama.
I think it's Big Mama. She's the only one that can reach her ass up there.
I know.
It's totally you. Look at your face. You're guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty face.
I think I've been overfeeding them, Sid.
That's right. We gotta stick to one bucket, I think.
I thought it was
Come on,
two.
girl. Come on. Look at her.
She's so fat, I know, and I think it's my fault.
It's all right. It's winter too, though, so they're not getting as much exercise.
Come eat your dins. And let Sabbath in. Come on, Sabbath. Come on, Sabbath. I love the way that Petuna goes straight for the shit pile. Come on, Sabbath. Good boy, baby. Good boy.
You're getting big, bro.
He's gonna be big. So Melinda did not attack me today, and I got all the eggs. She saw me coming and ran. But Joan keeps pecking at me. Don't you? Hi, Melinda.
She's pecking me too.
You know what it is? They want their breakfast, their salad. Oh, my baby. I know I've got to clean it today. I really got to clean it today. Sylvia! My hero. I love you. I love you so much. Good morning, baby girls. Right, let's go see how Melinda is today. Will you open it, Sid? Thank you. Let's see.
Melinda. Fucking bitch.
Melinda, oh God, there you are. Look at her. Look at her.
There's eggs on.
Let's see how this goes. Oh my God, it's so cold. Come on, ladies, come on. Look what I got for you. Mama even put cinnamon in there. Ready? Ready, go. There's all sorts of really, really awesome stuff in there for them today. We put all our leftovers, and this is why our chickens are so fat and still laying eggs in the winter.
That's why the eggs are delicious too.
They really are. Come on, it's fucking freezing. Let's go in. Oh, this one's got a crack in it. I'm gonna put that one.
It's always one.
Well, technically, we got 4 duck eggs, but one was covered in shit, so we left it in there. Oh my God, there's so much poop on the duck eggs. It's gross. I gotta wash my hands. Okay, let's go. So it's about that time that we donate our eggs. So we are here donating at Helping Hands. Let's see if they are in. Hi! They're here.
Oh my goodness.
So these are all the eggs.
Oh wow.
They're not washed, so
You don't need your refrigerator.
yeah.
So spend some good quality time with Kelly Osbourne at the farm. Remember, she started being on the farm again.